name's Matthew Eaton, I'm 28 and this is my Mini 1275 GT. So the car last year cost me, I think it was £4,750. Fun, definitely. Couldn't really tell you, to be honest. I just look at the fuel gauge and just sort of go, well, if I can make it, then yeah. If I can't, I need petrol. Best thing about the car, I'd probably say, well, I've got two things actually. The first one's probably the idle. It's got a nice lumpy idle because of the Kent cam in it. And second thing's the handling, definitely. Probably the fact that it lets in water and I don't know where it's coming from. I've declared everything, so at the moment I think it's cost me around £320. So the modifications on it are, start with the engine first, Weber 45, so it's actually too big for the engine to the point where it does fuel surge sometimes and it'll cut out or it'll be dead lumpy. It did have a 3-synchro gearbox, that's now a 4-synchro, it's built by Gasworks. It's a Clubman steering wheel, but I've got a 1275 GT centre cap, Clubman seats. I've left everything else in the interior as is at the moment because it shows the car's history. The car was originally a hill climber. Town Bearsprey was the name of the event, or the name of the place that it was raced in. I think it raced in a couple more, but I don't have any sort of history of that. But what I do have is the race numbers on the doors from when it did enter in the races in Austria. The most I've had out of it is about 85 mile an hour. That was on a private racetrack. Felt like the cylinders were going to pop out the bonnet, but yeah, it was exciting though. Yeah, I've been pulled over in it once, and it was just after I got it back, because it was showing that there wasn't an MOT on it, but I'd literally just been to the garage to have it MOT'd, so saved. Given what I've spent on the car, I think if I ever get the opportunity, then I think Mark 1 GTI will be the way I go next.